Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 3.2. Question number 8. Find the value of x. If y is equal to element of matrix 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2x plus y is equal to matrix elements 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So now solution of this question, given matrix y is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. Now y, matrix y put here, so therefore 2x plus y given matrix 3 element 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 and is equal to matrix 1, 0, minus 3, 2. So 2x is equal to this positive transfer to right with sign. So matrix 1, 0, minus 3, 2, 3, 2, not 32, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 and minus 3, 2, 1, 4. So order of matrix 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. So matrix is subtracted. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 4. Also this matrix, so 2x is equal to matrix minus 2 and minus 2 and minus 4 and minus 2. So therefore x is equal to 2 divide each element. So this minus 2 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by 2. Get new matrix, make minus 1, minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 1. This is element of matrix given. So this is answer. Question number 9. Find the value of x and y if given matrix element 1, 3, 0x plus y 0, 1, 2 and equal to matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. So solution of this question. So now given matrix 2 in bracket 1, 3, 0 x and plus element y 0, 1, 2 is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. So now to multiply by each element of matrix. So 2, 3, 0, 2x. So multiply by 2 each element. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 3, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into x, 2x and also plus matrix y 0, 1, 2 and this is another matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. So now addition of two matrices, if order of matrix are same. This is 2 by 2 and also 2 by 2. So corresponding element will be added. So 2 plus y and 3 plus 0 and 0 plus 1 and 2x plus 2. 2 plus y this, 3 plus 0 this, 0 plus 1 this, 2x plus 2 this. So this is matrix, and also matrix 5 6 1 8. So this is equal. So also you change 2 plus y and 3 1 and 2x plus 2, and this is 5 6 1 8. So this is now 8. So now order of matrix 2 by 2 and also 2 by 2. So equality of matrix, corresponding elements are equal. So now 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 2 and 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So 2x is equal to 8 minus 2. Therefore 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, and this is 6. 8 minus 2 6, x is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, x is equal to 3. So this is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to also 3. This is answer. Question number 12. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t if given matrix 2 in bracket x element x, z, y, t n plus 3 another matrix 1 minus 1 0 2 elements equal to 3 in bracket 3 matrix elements 3 5 4 6. So solution of this question, given matrix element x, z, y, t and also 3 1 minus 1 0 2. So 3 3 5 4 6. So solution of this question. So scalar digit, so multiply by each element. So matrix 2 into x 2x, 2 into z 2z, 2 into y 2y, 2 into t 2t, and plus also multiply by 3 into 1. So 3 into minus 1, so minus 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 2 6 is equal to, also multiply 3 into 3 9, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 6 18. So this is matrix. So order of matrix 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 also 2 by 2. So corresponding each element will be added. So matrix 2x plus 3 and 2z minus 3, 2z minus 3, and also 2y plus 0 and 2t plus 6. So another matrix right here. So 9 15 12 18. So this is 2x plus taken plus, so 2x plus 3 and 2x plus minus minus 3, 2z minus 3 and 2y plus 0 this and 2t plus 6 0 and right here. So this is you also taken 2x plus 3 and 2z minus 3 and 2y and 2t plus 6 is equal to 9, 15, 12 and 18. So now order of matrix 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. If order of matrix are same, so corresponding equality of matrix corresponding elements are equal. So 2x plus z is equal to 9. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 3, 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So x 3. Also 2z minus 3 is equal to 15. So 2z is equal to 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 2z is equal to 18. Therefore, z is equal to 18 upon 2, 9. Z is equal to 9. So 2y, so 2y is equal to 12. 2y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12 upon 2. This is 6 and y is equal to 6. And 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. So 2t is equal to 18 minus 6. So 12. 2t is equal to 12. T is equal to 12 upon 2. This is 6. So t is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Question number 11. If x in matrix element 2, 3 plus y another matrix minus 1 and 1 element is equal to 10 and 5 element another matrix, find the value of x and y. So given matrix elements, so given x 2, 3 element of matrix plus y element of matrix minus 1, 1 is equal to 10 and 5. So this question very important. So now solve this question. So given matrix are this. So now we can solve. So now write here and x multiply by each element of matrix. So x into 2, 2x, 3 into x, 3x, and also y multiply by minus 1. So minus y and y multiply by 1, this is y, and also 10 and 5. So this order of matrix, so this is 2 by 1 and also 2 by 1. Order of same matrix will be added. So 2x plus minus y and 3x plus y and also 10 and 5. So order of matrix 2 2 by 1 also 2 by 1. So equality of matrix, each elements are equal, corresponding each elements are equal. So 2x minus y is equal to 10. Now take equation first, and 3x plus y is equal to 5. Now take second equation. So solve first and second. So this is 2x minus y and 3x plus y. So variable are same, sign opposite, so taking positive, adding. So this is added, so signs will be no change. So this is plus minus cancel out. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, and 10x plus 5x 15x. So x is equal to 15 upon 5. So 5 3 15, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now put x is equal to 3 in first equation. So now first equation, 2x minus y is equal to 10. So 2 into 3 minus y is equal to 10. So minus y is equal to 10 minus 6. So minus y is equal to, this is 4. So y is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4. This is answer of given solution. Question number 12. Given 3 matrix are element x, y, z, w is equal to another matrix x 6 minus 1 2 w. These element of matrix and plus another matrix element 4 x plus y z plus w 3. Find the value of x, y, z and w. So solution of this question. So given matrix 3 in bracket x y z w and equal to x 6 minus 1 2 w and plus 4 x plus y and z plus w and 3 given element. So now 3 multiply by each elements of given matrix. 3 into x 3x, 3 into y 3y, 3 into z 3z, 3 into w 3w equal to. So this is plus. So now check order of matrix. This is 1, this is 1, 1 2 and 1 2. So this is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. So matrix will be added. So new matrix x plus 4, x plus 4 and 6 plus x plus y and minus 1 plus z plus w and 2w plus 3. So this is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2, order of same. So equality of matrix, corresponding elements are equal. So now 3x, therefore 3x is equal to x plus 4 and also 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. So now and 3z is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w and 3w equal to 2w plus 3. So now take first and second and this is third and this is fourth. solve this equation. So now 3x now minus x is equal to 4. So this is 2x is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 4 upon 2, this is 2, x is equal to 2. And now and the solve, so put x value here. So 3y is equal to 6 plus x means 2 plus y. So value of x put here. So this is x is equal to 2, 3y minus y is equal to 6 plus 2, 8. So 2y, 3y minus 1y is equal to 2y is equal to 8. Therefore y is equal to 8 upon 2, this is 4. So y is equal to 4. So this is value of y, and also y and x 2. So this is w. So now 3w and minus 2w is equal to 3. So 3w minus 2w is equal to w is equal to 3. This is value of w. So x and w, y4, w3. So w put here in this way. So 3z is equal to minus 1 plus z plus w is equal to 3. So 3z minus z is equal to minus 1 plus 3. So 3z minus 2z, 3z minus z, 2z is equal to, and 3 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So z is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So z is equal to 1. So this is 1. So value, so x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 1, and w is equal to 3. So this is answer of given solution. That's all. Thank you.